Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy, and now scroll down to find encryption and credentials. Tap on it. So here, almost at the bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on clear credentials and confirm it by tapping on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.